Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yeah, it looks like on the weekly time frame we are still bullish with the DBSI numbers still quite bullish, but on the daily time frame it looks like we're getting a small little pullback, or you could say a rejection if you look at this area of confluence where we got touched at $42,600 level and then we got rejected from there. We're going to delete that, make some room. Looks like right now we are in a falling wedge, and technically, in a falling wedge, when we break up, we are supposed to go back to the top of the wedge right here at 40,400. But in the event that we break down, like we talked about before, we could be heading down to the $36,000 or $35,000, $600 level, depending on where we break out. Right now it looks like we're getting lower and lower, and it looks like we had an attempted break up, but it looks like we're gonna close. I mean, it could very well close below this line again, and then bring us back into the wedge where we could go back down and break down to lower levels. And some people are saying in the chat we're gonna go back down to 34,000, and I wouldn't be surprised. In phase D, there is this area where we are supposed to consolidate and form a pattern like this. And when it gets smaller, so sorry, that's very poorly drawn, but we'll draw it a little better. So we already have a pattern drawn out like that, where we form a scenario something like that, and we could possibly stay in it for the next couple days, maybe till August 10, and then have a breakout from there. Sorry, we're August 3, so maybe a week from now we can have a breakout. But definitely going to be looking to enter some long soon. I don't think this is over. We're going back down to all the way down to 28. I think that's pretty much gone from now. We had a really strong rally from these levels, so yeah, not too bad. I know some people got into some trades today, and there's a 125 leverage gains and the share gains, but that's pretty much gambling at that point, because even if it does go your way, then great job, you made 100%, but if it doesn't, then you're in a lot of trouble. So in a very volatile market, it's really hard to predict these things. Anyways, let's just take a look at excuse me, switched to the wrong tab there. Let's just take a look at the hash ribbons, because right now it looks like they are getting closer and closer and closer every single hour. We can even look at the 1 hour time frame. They're getting extremely close now, so a cross could be imminent. I don't like to say that too much, but yeah, we could be getting a cross quite soon, especially in the daily time frame. We could see that the sharp rise in price suddenly cause the hash ribbons to squeeze, and even though with the falling price, the hash ribbons can still squeeze. And once we get that cross, we're going to be hoping for a buy signal, and if we do get a buy signal, I will be buying on a spot exchange for a significant amount. But yeah, we could also take a look at market cipher for the SP 500, and we still have that red dot there. We could look on the technical analysis. We have been going up, and we keep bouncing off this trend line right here, and once again we bounced off of it, and we're going to probably go back up, but it looks like we're running out of steam right here. We're really having some trouble at the 4,420 points. Sorry, 4,420 point level. So it seems to be we're getting some significant sell pressure there, and a 7%, maybe 10% correction would not be have the waters, especially if the CPI numbers come out negative. So I believe the CPI numbers are coming out soon. We could take a look right here. The CPI numbers are coming out. I don't know if they're going to show it here. Sometimes they have them popping up on the monthly. Let's take a look at the daily. They used to show it. I don't know why they're not showing up right now. Usually tell you which events are coming. So right now, I'm expecting the July numbers for the CPI index to be significantly worse, meaning inflation will be higher, and it would scare the markets. And the Fed can't keep saying that it's transitory forever, and eventually they're going to be wrong. and they won't be able to hide it anymore, and the cat's going to be out of the bag, and then everyone's going to panic. Anyways, looks like we could be breaking down right now, you know, just because we got so much downwards momentum, and maybe, you know, eventually this is going to stop out, because, you know, the 4 hour is looking like it's bottoming out for the RSI. Looks like we could take maybe one more dip before we, you know, fill some orders at these levels, and then yeah, gonna be looking for some longs. It's not looking too bad. I'm not too worried. You shouldn't panic either. You guys should definitely check out the Delta exchange if you haven't. It's really cool. I'm gonna do a robot trading video soon, and yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and join the Discord because it's free and we make really good trades and we do really good analysis. I'm just really tired right now. I'm gonna get some rest, well-deserved rest, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna make 2 videos tomorrow, so stay tuned. Love you guys. Peace.